As you guys can see, it's all about this today, the McLaren 720S Performance Edition. I absolutely love these cars. Let's take a look round. I'm going to show you why this could maybe replace my Aventador Roadster. So let's start off at the paintwork. MSO Paris Blue. It looks absolutely amazing. This car's also finished off with a stealth pack. So as you can see, the front bumper and around the side of the vehicle, you've got like a very dark anthracite grey. So the contrast against the blue looks amazing. I'm not normally a colour guy, but to be honest, this is the only colour I personally would buy in the 720S. It looks absolutely amazing. You guys need to see it. Let's take a look round. Let me show you the other points of the car. So let's start at the front. It's got the carbon fibre bonnet vents. Around the headlights, you've got the stealth package along on the front bumper. Take you around to the wheels. It's got the 10-spoke, super lightweight wheels. They're amazing, especially when they're cornering. This car corners unreal. Absolutely amazing. Take you around to the side. It's got the carbon fibre wing mirrors. This is a big feature, I think. You need as much carbon on a McLaren as possible. Take you to one of the best features, I think. I do love the Lamborghini Aventador scissor doors, but to be honest, I just love the way this McLaren opens. It even opens into the roof. So it's, wow, just wow. To be honest, this is the only McLaren I would personally buy, apart from the P1. So I'm in love with this car. Seriously, guys, I'm in love with it. I love the wheels, I love the carbon, I love the seats. So guys, that's enough from me. Follow me, let's go. We're gonna go for a drive. Guys, this car's absolutely blown me away. It is so fast. I can't actually believe it. It's faster than the Aventador as well. So guys, the good news is the customers actually told us that we can sell this car. So this is now going to stay here. We're going to advertise it. We're going to put it online. So they've done 4,500 miles. So if anyone is interested in this vehicle, let me know. I'm personally thinking about buying it myself. But guys, from us, we'll see you next week. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned.